Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and Bitcoin's meteoric rise has continued through the long holiday weekend, and we'll take a look at that chart here shortly. And crude oil has dropped over 2% in the early hours trading today before backing off the low, trading down a little over 1% on the day, and this comes on the heels of the rise to its highest levels in almost 2 years. So with that, we'll take a look at where the charts are and give you some key levels to watch. Starting with the S&P 500, currently trading at $2,600.55, relatively unchanged on the day, with the chart analysis score plus 90 with green trade triangles across the board. Key level to watch will be 2,557.45. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dow Jones currently trading 23,580.28 with a chart analysis score plus 90, up relatively unchanged on the day as well. Key level to watch would be 23,242.75. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. NASDAQ currently trading at 6,873.77, down about 0.2% on the day, the biggest loss between the three indexes so far today. Chart analysis score remains plus 90. Overall long-term trend is up. Key level to watch would be 6,667.31. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index continues to come under pressure. However, it is up about 0.6% today after falling below to 92.43. Currently trading at 92.79 with a chart analysis score of -60, indicating that a sidelines position is in order for the US dollar. Key level to watch would be 95.07. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle indicating a long position would be necessary for the US dollar. Crude oil, you can see here, has actually issued a red daily trade triangle today at 57.85, currently trading at 58.13 after hitting a session low of 57.55 early this morning. Chart analysis score is still plus 85. Overall, a long-term trend is still up for crude oil. However, short-term trend is in a sidelines position based on that red trade triangle today. Key level to watch would be 58.99. A move back above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle indicating a move back to a long position. Reason for the recent weakness in crude oil is U.S. drillers are expanding operations while OPEC and Russia prepare to discuss longer supply curves in the meeting later this week. So really everybody's kind of waiting on what OPEC's going to do. Moving along to gold, up today by almost 0.5%, currently trading at 1,294.90 with a green daily trade triangle triggering indicating get long gold. Currently chart analysis scores plus 90 with green trade triangles across the board indicating that overall the trend is up for gold. Key level to watch will be 1,285.10. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle indicating an exit from that long position. And we'll close out this chart here. We'll go over and take a look at Bitcoin today. And we're using the CME real-time index for Bitcoin. As you can see, yesterday, we left on Wednesday, went away, and it hit an all-time high of 8,281.62. And honestly, I really hadn't even over the Thanksgiving break, I just kind of took a mental break from the markets and really didn't watch any charts. And I was shocked last night when I logged back in just to see where everything stood and see that Bitcoin had risen to 9,659.15 and then continued that move up today with a chart analysis score plus 90, indicating that overall the long-term trend is still up for Bitcoin. And with that, trading volumes have actually risen about $5.4 billion yesterday. That's their highest level since November 13th. And that just adds credence to the rally sustainability that it's going to continue higher, with 10,000 definitely in the sights for Bitcoin. And I read earlier today that Google search volumes for the term Bitcoin have spiked again as well. So it looks like more people are going to be getting on the train. So if you're not on, you better get on. And who can tell how high it's going to head. With that, every success. Have a great trading day, and I'll be back later in the week.